Yo, my beautiful people, so we here, man. Look, hey, all I want to say, never give up on trading. You feel me? Just never give up. That's all I just want to tell y'all. But look, man, before we get into this video, as you already know, it's turned up, real raw, uncut trade zone 2.0. Y'all asked for it, so I'm just going to keep giving it to y'all. That's what y'all want to see. All right, but look, before I do that, scripture of the day, Isaiah 43:2. I'm reading this off the screen, all right? When you pass through deep waters, I will be with you. And when you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep over you. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned, and the flames will not set you ablaze. Man, what is that? Ain't nothing but Jesus protecting you. Ain't nothing but Jesus guiding you. Ain't nothing but Jesus making sure your life go how it's supposed to go. He will never leave you nor forsake you. So set out to what you're supposed to do and do it right, man. That's it. Look, I've been in these markets cooking, as you know, going stew, and I just want to show y'all right here, raw and uncut. You know what I'm saying? No edits. We just gonna run through this whole thing, and let's get to it. Let's go.
Yo, so somebody asked me to do some Zone 2.0 videos. I got you. GBP AUD sale is what the zones are saying. As you can see, I already been over here cooking. Got a lot of break evens though on these, so I had to, go stupid on $1,000 trades, but just cooking a little bit. My goal is low-key to try to get to 30 today. I mean, I'm close. This morning I started at, 26 or so? 27? So, trying to get to that 30 piece. First entry, though, off the software. Usually when you get a GBP, like multiple, like an M1, M5, H1, sometimes you get 4 of them in a row. Them is usually super solid. But it is a Friday, so you got to tread lightly on these because it is Friday. But this look like it might be another winner unless we get some type of spike. Yep, we're solid. All right. I was actually supposed to go up to 220 on those. Whoops, I didn't want to do 2. Yeah, there we go. All right. So, yeah, when trading zones 2.0 software, y'all, again, it's built for you not to have to mark up, but if you feel like you need to mark up, then go ahead and mark up. And I will tell you this, after that's over, let's say I want to go to the M15 and just kind of check to see where other zones is at. Same trade, you know what I mean? Because that might not have been a complete drop. I can then go mark up the M15 and I can stay on the same pair, trade it again. You know what I mean? If that's the case, but it looks like it's already starting to do its thing. So I'm gonna go to a couple of these other ones. Let's go to AUD Chef. It's right there. They stay going for the buys. All right, I do see that it's trying to form a zigzag, so I feel like it could. I'm gonna buy here, but I do feel like it could push down a little bit more because that zigzag hasn't formed. But I always do my just in case trades, so I hopped in this just in case joint right here. And then from here, again, you can come down and mark up the rest if that just helps people feel comfortable. All right. So if you feel like, hey, I need other, zone areas that I feel like the market could go, you come down here and mark these up. Now you stay on this pair. Now I know some people are saying it's overwhelming because they're coming in so fast. Just focus on one. That's it. Focus on one trade at a time. All right. Once that's over and you do your 4 entry rule on there, then move on to the other one. That's it. That is it, my people. So we let this one play out. Let's see what they give us. Are we going to get a push up? Are we going to get a push up? 5, 4, 3, 2. Played me at the last second. That's all right. That's all right. We're going to keep this thing rolling, baby. I'm going to get in again. I'm making a YouTube video. I know you was wondering. Wife done brought me some food, baby. All right. I'm in second entry. All right. And you just do it like that. Sometimes they're going to be like right on the money. Sometimes they're going to make you work. And it look like I might have to work on this one. So let's see. I'm over here eating. You don't hear me. I'm over here eating. All right. Yeah, so sometimes these trades might make you work. Sometimes you got to go on the second entry. It's a pretty big second entry, but I'm cool with that. You know what? I'm going to go. You got to hit him with that. Hit them with a 1500 for the third. And if they keep on rolling, I got one more. And I'm about to smack him up. I'm about to go on this last one because I'm willing to risk 4,000 of it to get what I need to get out the deal. So if I lose this, I'll be at 21. We'll let it ride from now. But let's see. No risk, no reward, right? Let's see. No risk, no reward, right? Let's see if we about that life. That's the last entry of the day, though. If this one go too, we in the clutch. Ooh, if it shoot up from right here, we in the clutch. Ooh. 3, 2, 1, clutch. Oh, at the last second, they played your boy. That's all right. I really just needed this last one, so as long as we close out in profit, which is going to be close. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Money. Let's go. All right. Now you want to shoot up. Ooh, that look like some old OTC type stuff. All right, so now we almost there. Some trades will take you to that, that last entry. That's okay. Come back down to my 220. I put in work. That's it. Some trades are going to take you there. Not all of them, but some will. All right, I see USD Chef. And it's all about who's going to take that risk. That's it. USD Chef saying for the sale. Let me go look at Euro Chef right quick. Euro Chef going for the sale. Don't really like how them looking. So I might not take it. Or I might. Let me see. I'm going to go look at AUD JPY. I try to make sure the percentages is nice. That one's trash, so we're not taking that one. The only ones they gave me was, and this did sell. Indeed, it sold. It sold. Was that? Oh no, that was USD Chef. Hold on, let me go to Euro Chef. Euro Chef did sell. All right, now we got Chef JPY that just popped up. So let's do that. They say Chef, scary money don't make no money. I like this one. I'm going in on that one. 3 of those. The goal is 30K. So 3 of those out the gate because it was already outside the Keltner channel. Now from here, if it makes you feel comfortable, again, go to N15. Come down here and just kind of see where your next set of zones is. I do see one right there. Again, this is Friday, so Fridays can be a little tricky. But yeah, if it helps you to go mark up and do your thing, you know what I'm saying? So I tell people, look, do what works best for you. Whatever's gonna make you feel the most comfortable in these markets, you do that. This is 83. I low-key wish this was 90s. But that's all right. We're gonna rock with it. I'm a 4-entry rule this joint. Hopefully they don't make me work too much. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, 5 of those. It's on the second entry. You know what I'm saying? We trying to work. Let's see if they make me work, baby. If they gonna give me the buy I deserve. Let's see if they gonna make me work or they gonna give me the buy I deserve. It's gonna go one way or another. As long as you're willing to take that risk. Again, I'm willing to risk 7,000 to get to my goal because I'm not trying to go under 20,000. So that's kind of where I'm at with it. You know what I'm saying? It gets a little fun once you get to these larger numbers because you can do more. All right, this is real raw and uncut. You watching it. We're going to see. This is what I go through every day with this. You know what I'm talking about? Fridays, I told you, Fridays and Mondays, hey, the market is just a little strange. So you got to tread lightly. But I'm just showing you in the worst conditions ever. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, they always trying to play me at the end, bruh. All right. Hit them again. 5 more. 5 more. We're going to let this thing roll, man. See what we can get out of it. If they want to do that, I'm going to hit them again. Still got 7,000 to risk. So, that's why I tell y'all, only risk a portion of your account. Only a portion of it. Normally with a smaller account, I'd be like risking, like if I had 1,000, like 1,600, I'd be risking 1,600. You know what I'm saying? But since the account is larger, I can risk 7,000 and still have 20,000 left if I lose that. So the volatility is crazy. Like you'll be thinking you about to get it. Oh, there we go. This should be a definite go. Should just give me the 30. Let's see. Oh, not yet. Almost there. All right, come over here and take another one. Euro USD. I don't want that one. Let's go to, let's see if any of these already played out. USD CAD. I just want to get to 30. That's it. Without going under 20. Without going under what I'm willing to risk. All right, so we're just going to wait a little second. All right, another Euro USD popped in, but I don't like the percentage on that one. I'm going to go to CAD JPY, see if that one is doing anything. It had to buy, so it already bought from the bottom, so that was already a go for 1 minute. Look at it. Yeah, solid. You know what I mean? So, really just trying to see, y'all. USD Chef. Dang, that was a good one. I wish I'd have gotten that one, because I'd have been done. USD Chef. That's 77. Ooh, I don't like that. I need at least 80 something. GBP USD. There we go. All right, what we got over here? They hitting me with the sales. All right. I'm gonna do 2 of those on a GBP USD. 2 sales. All right, because we're going off, where's that? Right here. This the signal it just called. All right, real raw and uncut, baby. So if I get this one, I should be at 30. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna see if it dropped, because I know that volatility is vicious today. So we in a treacherous environment. Look at it. Already trying to retrace and come back. And I see how it came up here a lot, and it ain't formed that zigzag yet. So I definitely know it's gonna turn around. So hopefully we can make it out before we do that. And we in the game. But I don't know. Here go this next candle. Next candle always vicious. Next candle right here. Let's see. Can you be vicious in the opposite direction? All right, that's what I'm talking about. All right, my people, I think we at 30K. I think we hit the 30K mark. Let's see. Yes, sir. God is good. All right, y'all. So that's me trading the zones. You feel me? I'm actually showed a profit for today. Now it's mixed in with yesterday. I know it's about to look crazy as far as like how many trades or whatever, but that was a lot of that was from yesterday trading them OTCs. So just bear with me. You feel me? All right. Yo, so as you can see, I'm gonna refresh a couple times to make sure that was it. But yeah, $2,600. All right. You see it. Got it in. Now, I told you this is a mix of trades between today and yesterday. A lot of them was yesterday, so I don't even know exactly what I did today, how many I did today. But it's usually under 20. But yeah, y'all, even in the most treacherous environment, Zones 2.0 holds its own, man. Like, again, this is a Friday, and you know Fridays is crazy, and it still came out in profit. You know what I mean? Again, have an amount you willing to risk. Again, I was willing to risk majority of my profit down to 20K to get to this 30, and I did, and boom, we was good. You gotta have an amount you willing to risk, and you cannot go under that amount. You know what I mean? That's where we at. So, had some great trades, had some crazy trades. You know what I'm saying? Great trades, crazy trades. You know what I mean? As you can see. I mean, just what a day. And that's trading, bro. The main thing is coming out on top. And we came out on top. And I'm almost back to where I was at when I withdrew to 20. You know what I'm saying? I was at 35. And now we back at 30 from 15K. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know, was that a week or two? Crazy. You know what I'm saying? What you can do with this trading thing, man. This trading stuff has allowed me to do so much in my life that I didn't even think I was going to be able to do. So I tell people, that's why I tell people, do not give up on this goal. Do not give up on it. I don't care what it's looking like right now. In the future, it will be a blessing to your life and your family's life. You dig? Look how volatile this is right here, y'all. Fridays is crazy, and this thing did what it's supposed to do. You dig? It wasn't pretty, but it came out on top, and that's the main goal, guys. So I love y'all, man. Comment below what you think, what you want to see. I'll keep dropping vids, you know what I'm saying, just to help y'all, you know what I mean? Other than that, I will holler at y'all in another video. Peace.